Musanda.
Oh, but
I'm so happy to see you. You know, there's something that I love about you. This whole motivation that you do, motivating children and pushing, please never stop it. And another thing is the humility you've got. Like we are somewhere, but you took time and gave us all your time. I'm so happy. That humility, how I ask you stop or whatever you're doing. Even myself as an elderly person, I'm very motivated by what you do. Instead of to Musanda.
Thabo from where?
Thabo Skosana from Phosphorus.
Phosphorus, my friend.
I'm so happy to see you. You know who bought my TikTok? Now follow her. I'll take care of it. I'm so happy. Push, thank you so much.
Musanda wa Musanda Foundation. Musanda wa ndawudona.
Iramrongo. Kuramrongo bavuwana kala chini.
Buwani kala chini.
Neba fitaka kati chaba ne. Kafara ndrene yo Musanda. Karise panda. Kari unazondo kwetu ya nda. Musanda. Promise the promise.
Promise the promise.
Promise the promise.
Promise the promise. Emana tanufara phone la muna jene. Ambabele phone la phone. Ajene omuna. Ajene omuna. Eda.
Da. Eba, Musanda. Musanda wa Musanda Foundation. Ndivo. Mpeni elimu amakhaki. Angena ko bana Grena Chilas.
Ya.
Zezwi nonyaka December. Mara. Now what about Grena Chilas? Let's make education
fashionable.
Be fashionable.
But to cover jene chikoma.
Somebody darini. Narongwa zikoni maroya mara rungoya mara. Akanyabo
And they only got to vana ba chiya chikoloni.
But ava chikoloni.
Ndidzulelwa mbori ahuna mubhebi asato dubona mwana wawe ku chena chikolo. Ahuna mubhebi asato dubona mwana successful.
What our best our pelenga what our best.
Rine karise vana chikolo.
Arise panda. Mwana ana right mulandu. Making sure abadele menando yawo. Mulugise arugise vana bana. And namsanda Foundation.
These guys, they waited for me.
Ray man and their stories on one side. Rather tell them for sure. For sure. New constable, newly recruit. Monday.
Roda Vanoni, Rodo Kureza, new constables, Zobaso Dingamanda Zonakao. And we wishing them all the best nationwide. I saw in Cape Town they were having another in Durban. So we wish them all the best. The Musanda Foundation live from Tshwane, South African Police Services. Pass out 2025. Noya. Whapa.